G'day guys, welcome back. Let's take a look at our platinum expander from Same Day Granny Flats.
We've spent the last couple of weeks setting her up.
Let's take a look back in time and see how it all unfolded. Okay, step one. Take these retainers off. A couple of Tech screws. Maybe a couple at the other end. Alright, we have to make sure that the rubber weather strip up along the top of the building is in place. We don't have a ladder, still in the sea container which hasn't been delivered, so we use the cruiser. Forwards! Alright, so that's all in place. That means we can fold the first side out, so here we go. Alright, I'm just going to grab a pry bar. Put it in there, pop the side out. It's got gas struts to help it fold out. So we'll see what happens. We'll probably have to cut a bit of timber to prop it up properly, but let's see. Oh, here it goes. Whoa. Yeah, the gas. There we go. So the gas struts are just to assist in lifting it, so I'll have to cut myself a big bit of timber to keep it propped right up, so stand by. Alrighty, got a sturdy bit of palm tree trunk from out of the burn pile. I got the shovel, I'll push it up, Shaz will put the wood under there, and hopefully it stays up and doesn't crush us, so here we go. Alright. I got this, Shaz. You'll just have to get that. Put it on an angle.
Oh, fuck.
Look, maybe that is it. That seems to be as high as it goes.
Is that?
Perfect, too short. Yeah. Angle. Alright. Safe as houses. Alright, got a rope rigged up through the container pins on the corner up to the foot. The floor's going to fold down like that. I'm going to jump up on that wheelie bin, unlock the last pin. Shaz has got the rope. Fingers crossed, nobody dies. Here we go.
I'm pulling all my weight back on it.
Yeah, it's just going to fall till the rope takes it up.
Okay.
Or all the way to the ground. We'll see.
Alright. I don't want to get rope burn.
You won't.
Okay.
Yeah, almost in it. We keep bringing it down. Got it. Alright. Steady as she goes. Jesus. Here you go. Alright. That was relatively successful. Alrighty, so we got the blocks down for the feet, got it all leveled up, installed this Z flashing. It runs all the way along, all the way to the end. Just had to notch out, where are we, 80 millimeters in there on each end. Now we're going to fold this wall down. Let's see what happens. Yeah, that was fucking difficult. I suppose the only way to do it is just commit. You just turn that. Maybe you jump up on the end just so you've got somewhere to jump clear if it all goes horribly wrong.
Oh, it's pretty heavy.
I haven't even got any of the weight yet. So.
I know.
Yeah, well, let me have some. I don't think it's too bad. That'd be right.
Oh, no, that's
That's not, I haven't even got any. Banger!
Yeah.
Get out here!
Yeah.
We've got to lower this down. You and Mum have got the easy escape route if something goes wrong, whereas I get crushed. Woo! God, I hope they hold.
Yeah, me too.
Alright, let's.
I'll just stand out of the way here.
Almost.
Can you get under anymore?
Yeah.
Yep, you're right. They're still going to be holding. Soon to be holding. Watch the ceiling.
Alright. Now, it's not in line in the ceiling. Can you just hold that up, Banger?
Probably not.
Fuck.
What's that?
The pole's falling down. Right, there's nothing holding up the roof except you guys, so just hang on.
Oh.
God, if that ratchet strap breaks, we're fucked.
Oh.
I'm going to lift as hard as I can. See if you guys can just push that up. It should go. I'll tell you when. Ready?
Yep.
Go!
Yep.
Push it up all the way.
Yep, we're all the way.
Alright. Ah, that was easy. Alrighty, we got the wall stood up. Got a few screws in it to hold it up so it doesn't fall down. Next step is we're going to put some of this D rubber seal. Got sticky adhesive on it. Gonna run a length of that up, runs down the side of the wall, and then we'll be able to fold the door out. Gives you a nice seal, so we'll do some of that.
Holy moly, fuck.
What's the matter?
Oh, my teeth hurting in my eyeballs.
There's definitely a warning in the instructions that it has to hang down past the floor. I'll cut it off, stick it on, and then I'll show you what I mean. I got it down past the floor. I'll show you. You can see the seal hangs down below the level of the floor. We've got the D seal on that side. The door's going to fold out like that, resting against this bit of angle. I've just got a flat rubber weather seal to put on there. Put my knife away so I don't cut my finger off. We'll put that on. Righto, that's the two bits of sealing on there. I'll just refer to the instruction manual, but I think we just fold it out and then who knows, we'll have a look. Instruction says fold the door out or the wall out, so got both the seals on. I'll open it up and then we'll screw it in from the outside, I think. Make sure that one's sitting in there. Grab the wall. It's not hitting on anything, that's good. Righto, got the hot water system propping it up, so I'll go around the back and screw it together. Righto, so we got the corner walls attached. 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. So that wall's now locked against this bit of metal angle. That's what the instructions call for anyway, so we're just following that. Okay, so we're going to do the same with the other side. Put the D seal in there, flat seal in there, fold that out, screw it together, but I won't bore you with the whole lot again. Alrighty, quick update. Yesterday we spent the day just installing some flashings and messing around. Had to go to town to get a caulking gun, so we lost a bit of time. But anyway, back at it again this morning. Got the other side folded out. Went a bit smoother than the first side we did. We learnt a few things, so now we're just going to whack some seals on, fold these side doors out and start closing her up. Alright, I'm not sure where we left off with the house, but I'm pretty sure we were folding it out, but we have pretty much finished it internally and we are moved in. So the interior just involves a whole bunch of flashings and trimmings and whatnot. As you can see, there's a bit of a right angle flashing in there. There's this weird plastic cornice and skirting that you have to install. It's all just screws and silicone basically. There's the one down the bottom, floor ceiling strips for the gap where the hinges are. But yeah, the interior is pretty simple to sort of put together. Comes with a kitchen cupboard set. The cupboards are all already assembled and whatnot. So you just gotta, there's these two are one unit, and you got these two and the bit that goes behind, and then these two here. So they all come like that. Just gotta whack the feet on them, screw them down, whack the bench on, and you just got your sink plumbing and whatnot to put in. Overhead cupboards in the kitchen. They come in two separate bits. They're just screwed to the wall. You can see the screws up in the corner. There's one in each corner, and then the cupboards are screwed together. Shan's just using it for a bit of a pantry. Got a big full-size fridge in there. It's very handy to have a full-size fridge again. Alrighty, so here in the bedroom, same sort of thing. You got this big flashing that goes up along the roof. The cornice flashing in the corner. Skirting boards. All really simple to put together, so we didn't film any of actually doing it because, yeah, pretty simple if you're handy with a tech gun and a bit of silicone. So, alrighty, so out the back you got all the service connections. It just comes with the couple of wires coming out of that junction box. We got the local Sparky to come and put another board on. We ran power from over at the pole down under the ground here, comes up that conduit into there. Got a few extra bits and pieces put on, but we'll run through that in a full electrical system video. But got the water going in, hot water system, grey water going out. So we are, yeah, that was pretty easy to get sorted. Yeah, once we got everything all set up internally, so that's good. Also had the hot water system and the air conditioner came with the unit. So we got that the aircon installed as well, and that keeps the interior very, very comfortable. Alrighty, so yeah, basically the house is set up and livable. We do have plans to build a roof over the top and a patio out the side. These things are sort of a little bit renowned for leaking, but we did, you know, glad we went with, you know, the more high-end product on the market from Same Day Granny Flats, because they're yeah, they're just a good Australian company to deal with, and I think they're just a better quality unit. So I don't know, time will tell. Anyway, that's about that. I don't even really remember what we filmed of the whole assembly. I know we filmed bits and pieces, so we're going to throw it together for you, and yeah, hopefully enjoy it. Alright, say goodbye to the house. I've got jobs to do. I'll see you on the next one, guys.